Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Acer monitor keeps turning off randomly while you're using it, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're working, gaming, or watching something important. The screen may go black suddenly and then turn back on, or sometimes it may not come back at all until you restart it. This kind of issue can be caused by several factors like power supply interruptions, display settings, overheating, or loose connections. The tricky part is that everything might look fine on the surface, but something small in the setup can make this behavior. Instead of assuming a hardware failure, it's better to check each possible cause step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix this issue and keep your Acer monitor running smoothly without unexpected shutdowns. Try these. Step 1. Check the power cable and ensure it is securely connected. Step 2. Try a different power outlet to rule out power issues. Step 3. Inspect the display cable and reconnect it properly. Step 4. Restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 5. Ensure the monitor is not overheating and has proper ventilation. Step 6. Adjust power and sleep settings to prevent automatic shutdown,